name is Abhishek Anand. Today I am going to talk about a very important topic which has been going on for the past couple of months. This is a very important topic to us because it is related to us and to all the people in India. So in this video I am going to explain about a protest which was conducted by the farmers and has been going on for the past couple of months. So let me explain what has been happening and what is the current situation now. So let us get into the topic right away. So you may ask, why there is a protest that has been going on for a couple of months by the farmers? So let me explain from that point onwards. So during the first week of August, the government has implemented 3 firm laws for the farmers. So what the government says is, this 3 laws is for the beneficiary of the farmers. So to have an outlook of the 3 laws, what it says is that if the farmers couldn't sell their crops or sell anything, it will be automatically taken back by the private companies. So this is the general outlook of the 3 laws as of what I understood. So as a result of this laws, the farmers started protesting, especially in Haryana and in Punjab. This is because what they think is, if this law comes into effect, they are affected directly in the production rate. I will tell you why. It is because before the 3 laws had been implemented, if a product or a goods which is produced by the farmers, such as sugarcane or crops or rice, anything it may be, the government will take the goods and services which has been produced by the farmers at a minimum support price. So here the government will buy the products and they will sell the products. But here, if you consider these 3 laws, here instead of the government, the private sector companies or multinational companies will take the product which has not been sold and will be used within the company. The main problem which your farmers tells is that even though the private sector company will buy initially, later on the company will misuse it and will lead in the wrong direction. So what they are saying is, instead of the private company taking it and buying the product, let the government itself buy it, because the farmers has been trusted by the government. Or say that the farmers is trusting the government rather than the private sectors. So because of this, the farmers are protesting against this 3 laws. So what is currently going on is that both the farmers and the government have been talking since December 4th. Even they had announced, the farmers have announced that they are going nationwide lockdown on December 8th, which eventually didn't happen. Now, so recently what happened was, 4 farmers had been dead because of this protest. So this protest is mainly conducted by 2 state farmers, that is Haryana and Punjab in Delhi. So initially what happened was they conducted a protest in their own state, that is in Haryana and Punjab only they conducted the protest, but there's of no use. So what they thought was they would conduct the protest in Delhi. So what happened was they had gone to Delhi by groups and it has turned into the biggest protest humans have seen. Even across the world, they are telling that this is the biggest protest that any country has seen so far. So, I don't know, because on government point of view, they are trying to help the farmers. But on the farmers point of view, what they are saying is, no, we want at least, they want the same laws that was before. Even some of the important demands of the farmers is nothing but they want to repeal this law and they want the minimum support price to be back and they want the government itself to buy the product. So if you see on both the sides, their point of view is correct. According to the farmers, they want to support the government. According to the government, they want to support the farmers. But even in the latest talks, it has failed to comply to the farmers' demand. So we need to wait and see what has been going on. So why, you may ask, why am I choosing this topic that to today? It is because we have been talking about many things like mental health, COVID. We have been talking about many other things, but we are not considering about the farmers' pain about and their request. So only I thought of talking this topic now. So I hope you like this video. I hope you find this video useful. Please like, share, subscribe and comment on what videos it made next.